Hello, my dears. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Teresa, and I'm here in Kamloops, British Columbia, on the unceded and occupied territory of the Secwepemc people. Today, we are going to sing our Bluebird Song. Then we are going to read about backhoes, which are my favorite construction vehicle. Then we'll play a game with some other kinds of vehicles, a mystery game. And then we'll do our poem and we'll say goodbye. So let's start with the Bluebird Song. Sing along if you like to. So, how about we do our Down by the Station song before we do Backhoes? Down by the station, early in the morning, see the little puffer bellies all in a row. See the engine driver pull the little handle, chug, chug, toot, toot, off we go. All right, let's get into our Backhoe book. This book is called Backhoes, and it's by Linda Williams, with help from Gail Saunders Smith. A backhoe is a mighty machine. That means it's very strong. Here we have the table of contents. It tells us what's in the book. We're going to learn about backhoes, parts of backhoes, what backhoes do, and that they are mighty machines. My favorite thing about backhoes is that they can do many different kinds of jobs. Backhoes dig and lift. Backhoes help make new roads and sidewalks. Here, this backhoe is digging a hole. You can see a house there. I think this used to be a road or a sidewalk. Maybe they're fixing the pipes under the road. Track backhoes move on rolling tracks. They dig holes with large buckets. This is the bucket. And this is the track. Backhoe loaders move on tires. They dig with buckets and they lift with loaders. So these are the tires. And here we have the bucket doing the digging. And this is the loader for lifting. Parts of backhoes. Backhoe buckets have metal teeth. The teeth help backhoe buckets dig. Those are the teeth. You have teeth, and I have teeth inside our mouths. They kind of look like those teeth, don't they? Backhoe drivers sit in cabs. This is the cab. Side legs help the backhoes stay steady. You can see here, they've put the side legs down to keep the backhoe balanced and steady. It looks like this bucket is digging a hole down here. It's helping to dig. And they're putting the dirt from the hole into the dump truck. Backhoe booms move like an arm. This is the boom. This part. Backhoe booms move buckets in and out, up and down. So this piece is controlled by the driver in the cab. The driver can use the levers in the cab to control how the boom and the bucket move. What backhoes do? Backhoes dig down deep into the ground. They scoop dirt and then swing it high into the air. This picture was taken from inside the hole, looking up at the backhoe. The dirt is going into that dump truck. Backhoes dump rocks and dirt into trucks. Backhoes fill train cars with gravel and coal. So they're digging and filling. Mighty machines. Backhoes dig and lift dirt and rocks. Backhoes are mighty machines. That means they're very strong. They're mighty. The end. Thank you for reading with me. Now we're going to play our game. I have 5 vehicles inside my basket. We're going to look at each vehicle, then I'll put it inside my bag and we'll play a game. So here we have a school bus. A school bus is long and yellow. This one is yellow. And it's used to take children to school. The school bus driver drives to every person's house and then takes all of them to school. Not everybody rides on a school bus, but some people do. Here we have a car. This car is blue. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 wheels. Car. School bus. Here we have a motorcycle. A motorcycle has 1, 2 wheels. And this part here is called the kickstand. The person who's driving puts the kickstand down when they want the motorcycle to stay steady when they're not moving. We always wear a helmet when we're driving a motorcycle to keep our heads and our brains inside safe. Motorcycle. Here we have a pickup truck. Pickup truck. This pickup truck is green. And the back part here is called the bed. Just like a bed that you sleep in. But this one is a place where you can put things and items that you want to transport, that you want to carry in the bed of your pickup truck. School bus, car, motorcycle, pickup truck. And our last vehicle is a fire truck. This fire truck has a ladder. Do you remember the sound that a fire truck makes? Wee-oo, wee-oo, wee-oo. It's called the siren. And the firefighters make the siren, they put the siren on when the fire truck needs to go very fast to help people. So when you hear a siren, you know you have to stop and move out of the way so the fire truck can get past. That lets them go quickly to help other people. So we have school bus. I'll put it in my bag. Car, motorcycle, pickup truck, and fire truck. Okay, now we're going to play a game. I'm going to reach inside my bag and tell you which vehicle I'm feeling. Then you can tell me what you think it is. So right now, I'm feeling a vehicle that has a ladder on top. And it carries firefighters. And I think I remember it was red. Do you know which vehicle it is? Did you say fire truck? It's fire truck. All right, let's see what's next. I am feeling a vehicle that has 4 wheels and a steering wheel, and it has a trunk. And you might have one of these vehicles. Maybe your mom or your dad or your adult drives one of these. It's the smallest vehicle with 4 wheels. And it starts with the sound k. Did you say car? It's car. Fire truck, car. All right. I'm feeling a vehicle that has 2 wheels and it has a kickstand, and we always wear a helmet when we are riding on one of these vehicles. It starts with the sound Did you say motorcycle? It's motorcycle. This motorcycle kickstand isn't working. It keeps falling over. Okay, 2 more. I am feeling the longest vehicle that we were looking at today. It's yellow and it has many seats inside for children to sit on when they're riding inside. It goes to many children's houses to bring them to school. Do you remember what it's called? School bus. It's our yellow school bus. Okay, last one. I am feeling a vehicle that has 4 wheels, and I think this one is green, and it has a bed in the back where we can put items that we're transporting. Did you say pickup truck? It's our pickup truck. We did it. These are all the vehicles from our game today. Thank you for playing with me. Now we're going to do our rain poem, and then we'll say goodbye. This poem is by Robert Louis Stevenson. Rain is falling all around. It falls on field and stream. It falls on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. Thank you for joining me today. See you again soon.